How do lobe pump works? The pumping action of the rotary lobe pump principle is generated by the counter-rotation of two pumping elements, rotors. The rotors are located on shafts, which in turn are mounted within an external gearbox and supported by the bearings. The timing gears are also located on the shafts. The timing gears transfer the energy from the drive shaft to the given shaft, synchronizing the rotors such as they rotated without contact with each other. As the rotors pass the suction port, the cavity generated increases, creating a pressure decrease, which induces the pump medium to flow into the rotor case. Application of lobe pumps. Lobe pump can be used in a variety of applications, like below, but are not limited to: paper coatings, soaps and surfactants, paints and dyes, pharmaceutical applications, food applications,